spacing. We gotta remove this pin here. Get a little flathead. Whoa. There it is. You just pull this up and it releases. Let's see if there's another one. I think this one down here, we'll see. Actually, that might be enough. So now we have to, it's this top bulb here. So we have to unplug it. We gotta press it and pull it. Well, let's just twist the cap actually. We'll twist the cap off. Well, I prefer to unplug it just because the battery is connected. So you can kind of see I'm pressing the tab there. Pull it off, right? And this bulb is burned out, or one of them are burned out. I don't know if we can see it. I don't know if you even visually see it. Put a video of where it's burned out, but oh, you can see it. Like, you can see the burned on this side, on the left hand side of it. The left hand side here is burned. So let's just pull it off. Okay. It should pull right out. Let's see if there's a clip, but it doesn't look like that. There it is. Okay. Just pulled it out. We'll get the new one. So here's the new bulb. It's a Toshiba 12 volt 5 watt. Okay, so remove that one. That. Put the new one in there. It goes, clips on. There you go, we'll put it back in there. Okay. So we'll just connect it in there. This little clip part goes where the little hole, aligned hole there, alignment, just kind of clicks on there. We've got it connected. Goes back in there. And just twist on, that's it. It's on there. You can kind of pull at it. It doesn't come out. It's all clipped in, that's it. Put this liner back in there. This has to go in there. And then like that. Everything back in there. Get our clip. This thing's to clip. Put the clip. Pull the tab. Push it in. That's it.